Ola, que tal? Saúdos desde Clipmanía. Imos con unha presentación moi breve para un programa moi denso, porque resumir o que pasou na Coruña os días 8, 9 e 10 de xullo é o que nos propuxemos neste mediodía de sábado. É o testemunho subxetivo deste programa que nos aproximará a uns concertos que foron, sen dúbida algunha, os máis comentados antes, durante e despois da súa celebración. Son os concertos dos 1000 anos día a día. Sen dúbida, o acontecemento musical máis agardado foi este da Coruña, pese ás moitas especulacións sobre quen viña. O motivo que o xustificaba era a conmemoración dos case 1000 anos de existencia do Camiño das Peregrinacións. E como se de a un lugar de culto se tratase, o estadio de Riazor chegaba a xente de moitos puntos de España e do extranxeiro, e sorprendíanse o saber dos cambios de última hora. As baixas definitivas de Gary Moore e James Brown e as ausencias nunca confirmadas da Velvet Underground ou de Eric Clapton, que tamén se barallaban como a posibles actuantes.
Sí, pero un poco raro, ¿no? El último día aquí ya anulando a Gary Moore, hace 2 días anula a James Brown, hace 4 anula a la Velvet, un poco chapucilla eso.
Ya nos falló el Gary Moore, nos falló Eric Clapton, no sé, aquí al final no sé quién tocará.
Me han cagado, yo quería venir especialmente Gary Moore, pero no viene, no sé.
Bueno, Gary Moore non ven.
Pero non ven, ao final.
Que non ven Gary Moore. E máis outros que tiñan informados que se sonaba que iba a vir el Clapton no meu, Van Morrison, John Lee Hooker, o sea que se pasaron un pouquiño.
Estaba esperando a Gary Moore y viendo ya el percal que no viene, ya me dio bajón ya.
Yo venía más que nada a ver a James Brown, pero no viene.
Yo el que más me gustaba era James Brown, pero ha fallado al final.
We don't know anything in Spanish, but it's in Mexican.
It's our treatment.
Luchan por separarnos, pero es inútil. Vuestro amor es tan grande como no habrá jamás. Juntos caminaremos hasta la muerte. Y aunque el mundo se oponga, nos tendremos que amar. La tumba será el final, ahí será la separación. Y hasta en la tumba te sigo amando, si quiere Dios. Mienten y te aseguran que no te quiero, solamente a mi madre la quería más que a ti. Well, one thing, baby, that I want you to know, when you rock with me, don't you rock too slow. Move on and get toe to toe. We're gonna rock till we can't no more. I believe, I believe, I believe, yeah, I believe, pretty baby, believe you're gonna steady with nobody else but me. Yeah, believe you're gonna steady with nobody else but me. Well, good night, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please, no more pictures. Pop photos. Come a little bit closer.
Todos os artistas representaban 3 xeneracións do rock and roll. Os avós, Chuck Berry, Bo Diddley ou Jerry Lee Lewis. Os pais, amamantados pola xeneración Beat, Bob Dylan, Neil Young ou Eric Burdon. E os fillos, con músicos actuais como a Chris Isaak. A mesma convivencia armónica víase no público.
Chris Isaak.
No nos gustó mucho que actuara George Benson, porque quizás sea muy bueno, pero este de luego no es su sitio.
Pois mira, porque xa dende hai moitos anos con Crosby e Stills Nash & Young gustábame o tipo de música que facía e este último LP de agora está moi ben, recupera un pouco aquela música.
We know where the music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest moon. When we were strangers, I watched you from afar. When we were lovers, I loved you with all my heart. But now it's getting late, and the moon is climbing high. I wanna celebrate, see it shining in your eyes. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest moon. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest moon.
Bueno, a mí este gustame polo a música que fai entre o jazz e rock, a mezcla que fai. Gústame ese tipo de música, fusión que ten el. Mais ben nos primeiras escenas que fixo el, que agora a final, esos discos últimos xa non me vaen tanto, pero...
I'm very happy. Yes, verdad. I'm very happy out here. It's fantastic. We pull up in our bus. Usually we come into a city and it's beautiful, and then our bus keeps going. And then usually we stay by someplace by a freeway 5 miles away from town.
You know that I love Spain. I think a lot of people know that I come to Spain very much, not just to sing songs, but I explore Spain and I travel a lot, and I love the Spanish people and the fact that it's so relaxed compared to the English sort of very uptight Germanic European thing.
I arrive, unpack I don't unpack anything, I just open my suitcase and look out the window and think, wow, it's real pretty, I should be staying here for a while, but no, I'm moving on. Yeah, this is one of the few places that I haven't been to before in Spain. I guess it's close because it reminds me of San Sebastian. It's very similar, and that's one of my favorite towns anywhere in the world. So this kind of has the same flavor to it. It's kind of working class. I like it a lot. It's very nice.
When the part of the city I like mostly, like when you know where the airport is, right? So when you come down those little hills, you got the little village down in there. It's beautiful, magnificent. I like that. Yeah. I didn't know the city is big. It's a big city. Yes.
E como naqueles 60 en que localidades tranquilas, Woodstock, White, víanse invadidas por cantidade de xente, aquí moitos xóvenes que tiñan deixado os cartos na viaxe e nas entradas non dubidaron en acampar en calquera parte, nin en amosarse espontaneamente de mañá ou de tarde.
Bueno, porque los Kings eran uno de mis grupos preferidos de los 60 y quiero ver cómo están ahora.
This is called Phobia, and I want everyone to join in and sing this song with me. Let's do it, Phobia. the curtain high. There's a teardrop door to be open and I wanna take a look inside.
He venido solo para el hoy, para ver a Bob Dylan solo. Lo demás no, porque es mi padre.
A de Dylan foi a única grabación non concedida ese día. Diremos que nós non pechamos os ollos nen os oídos. Foi unha actuación curta, sen dirixirse nunca aos presentes, e na que resultou difícil recoñecer as versións que fixo de vellos temas. Ao final, nen dixo adeus.
Porque sigue siendo coherente. Jimmy Page ahora da asco y él no. Él sigue siendo coherente consigo mismo. Entonces sigue haciendo la música que a él le gusta.
All I gotta talk
I am the memory. I'm part of the memory. Sure I am, yeah. I have a new career and I have a long history. And I'm proud of the past, and I'm also promoting the present, because I can't just arrive like Chuck Berry with nothing happening now. I have a new band and a new life, and but I like the past too. So, you know, when you make records for so many years, you have to be able to cover the whole spectrum.
How is it now? For me, it doesn't change much. From my point of view, it's pretty much the same. I do what I do. I'm a singer. I front bands. I get bands. I hope bands that learn to play me properly. If they play me properly, then I'm happy.
I sang when I was 8 years old in nightclubs, but I had to dance and strum on my ukulele and, you know, make noises and create visualities. So I think a lot of that is still with me, and I bring that now to my audiences today, but in a more sophisticated form, hopefully.
That's, I don't color any music. Music in the first place is a universal language. Music belongs to the people, no matter who invented it or who do it best, so forth and so on. It's just a universal language. So you cannot color music. You just do it well, do it well. It belongs to everybody.
Tonight, I don't even know everybody who's going to be playing there tonight. Who else? Well, I didn't buy tickets. Who's playing? Who's playing tonight besides me?
Neil Young,
Neil
George
Young.
Benson, and Sting.
Neil Young, George Benson, and Sting. I take George Benson because I could make him play guitar and I could still sing.
Yeah, I mean, it used to be a shock to me many years ago when I would work with people of such stature. Maybe it's sad to say that it's become like normality and it's not so exciting anymore, but that's just looking at it from the outside in. When you're in the inside and you're looking at the shows, it's always exciting.
But on Domingo, it is it's the birthday of my mother. So after the concerto, I just go straight to England. And my mother doesn't know I'm coming, so I give her a big birthday kiss, and that's it.
Okay.
But I want to come back soon. I mean, I'd like to come back next year. You see, for many years, Robert Plant has been the guy from Led Zeppelin, finished. So, you know, that's it, like Chuck Berry or whatever. But now that I have a new record and a new band, and I have a current career, which is quite strong, I want to come back next year and play the same festival.
Oh, me and my secretary had a few words on the plane, and that's all. And it's all over. You know, when I get back to the States, we just talk and make up, and it's simple as that. No problem. No.
With Chuck Berry and Jerry Lee Lewis, I worked with them together, with both of them on the road together. It was as far back as 1966. And I was wondering if they were still friends.
Lo único, el Chuck Berry, que está un poco majareta, que este quería una limusín de 7-8 metros, pero la quería para llevarla a él. Y se le ha explicado que por las calles de aquí, o sea, que no puede ir por ahí con una limusín de 8 metros porque no la va a poder mover. Entonces al final se le pondrá otro coche, pero aparte de esta tontería no.
Ás 4:30 do mesmo sábado aterraba o avión de liña regular que transportaba, entre outras persoas, a Chuck Berry e acompañantes. Fora agardábao a enorme limusín. O vehículo non resultou do agrado do artista. E comeza a espera. Non houbo solución. E logo dunha hora, case no aeroporto de Alvedro, o fin, o señor Berry decide coller o coche e conducilo el mesmo cara á cidade.
Pues porque conozco poco de Eric Burdon, ¿no? Pero lo poco que he escuchado de él me ha gustado mucho y quería verlo en directo.
Siamo muy contentos di essere aquí per il anniversario di 1000 años en La Coruña. a sonar per vosotros.
Sacrifices I'm willing to make. I want to give to you as well as take. One thing I need is a little respect, baby. One thing I can't stand, oh, this thing left. One of the things I need, love. So lay the rise up, oh, oh, don't bring me down. Oh, no, don't bring me do anything you want to do tonight. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Girl, try to remember when we didn't have no shoes. We stuck together, just me and you. It took a long time to get what we got today. Now you want to give it all up for another guy. Baby, telling you don't let the green grass fool you. Don't let it change your mind. Hey, gonna be hard for me, baby, to build my life all over. Baby, you got the love I really need. Hey, and if you leave me this way, baby, you know what? I may not live, see a brand new day. Oh, but honey, don't let the green grass fool you. Don't let it change your mind.
Rockers se identifican con Jerry, Chuck Berry.
Slump drunk, start singing all night. Drinking wine for the other, drinking wine. Wine for the other, drinking wine. Wine for the other, drinking wine. Slip that bottle of me. I did a wine, 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 elderberry. Wine, 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 all sherry. Wine, 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 blackberry. Wine, 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 happy night. Come on, baby, pass that bottle of me. Yeah.
Pues porque es el que inventó el rock and roll, por más que digan, y vamos.
Good
xa que asistimos a totalidade destes concertos, aí vai a nosa visión persoal e premios. Para nós, os mellores concertos foron os de Neil Young, John Mayall, Wilson Pickett e Chuck Berry. De terse celebrado a outra hora, sumaríamos os de Chris Isaak, The Kings e Eric Burdon. O premio ao artista máis antipático para Bob Dylan. Premio o máis asubiado por unanimidade para Jerry Lee Lewis. E o premio o máis aplaudido para Wilson Pickett. En resume, 3 días históricos nestas terras, complexos de organización, os que asistiu moito público sen chegar a agobiar. O acontecemento rock and rolleiro máis ambicioso dos organizados por e para este Xacobeo 93.